It's just music, you know, it's just music, isn't it? Isn't it just music? Brother Craig, you know, that's what they want to say, isn't it? Isn't it? I mean, isn't it just music? Here are some of the coveted awards that our people want so bad for the music that we do. This is, you know, the American Music Award, which is a pyramid. What is a pyramid? A pyramid is a house of gods. The Soul Train Music Award is a Zulu mask, the face of Pharaoh. Then the Grammy Awards, during last year's Grammys, they kept flashing this 5-point pentagram. See that upside down star? That is a symbol of witchcraft. That is actually the head of the goat Baphomet in witchcraft circles. They also use the same symbol in the Freemasonry. And it's a symbol of witchcraft. And they kept flashing it, the 46th annual Grammy Awards. So I'm not saying all music is corrupt, but I'm saying that somebody really knows what's going on. I had a friend call me from Sony. Well, he wasn't a friend at the time. He didn't even know me, but he went to my website and he said, man, I work for Sony. I work for Sony Relativity Records. He said, and man, after we would release an album, he said, we'd have devil parties. They conjure up demons and celebrate Satan because of an album release.